Ready to build your new Thor bed frame? All4wood has you covered. Follow our step-by-step guide to get it fully assembled from just one box.
Place the bed frame components where you plan to position the bed. Step 1. Assemble the headboard parts A and B together by following the steps shown in the diagram. Step 2. Insert the wooden dowels 6 into the pre-drilled holes to secure and align the panels firmly. Attach the headboard panels A and B to the headboard leg D and C using 1/4x80 hex button head bolt 1, 1/4 lock washer 4, and 1/4 flat washer 5. Step 3. Attach the headboard rail E to the metal legs H using 1/4x20 hex button head bolt, 1/4 lock washer 4, and 1/4 flat washer 5. Step 4. Attach the footboard rail F to the metal legs H. Step 5. Attach the side rails G to the metal legs H. Step 6. Attach the side rails G to the metal legs H. Step 7. Position the support rail I on a flat surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Align each support leg J with the holes on rail. Insert and twist each support leg clockwise until it is securely tightened. Step 8. Place the assembled support rail I into the center brackets on the headboard rail E and footboard rail F. Step 9. Attach the headboard to the headboard rail E. Recommended 2 people to attach the headboard in this step. Step 10. Insert the wooden dowels 6 into the pre-drilled holes on the side rails G to ensure proper alignment. Step 11. Align the slats K with the Velcro strips on the frame and the wooden dowels, then install them in place.